Okay, now we finished with C and K and we finished with E, isn't it? Now, your next one. What was your next letter that you learned? You learned H, isn't it? And your sound was, yes, H. Now we are going to, again in the same way, we are going to learn some words which starts with your sound, that is with your with letter H, and also the words which has the sound in it. Okay. Now H. So shall we start with the words? Ham. Up. Hat. Horse. Hip. Hug. Hop. Hot. Hole. Have. Hut. House. Hive. Hammer. Height. Helicopter. Hippo. Hen. Had. Hide. Hut. Hive. Helmet. Hanger. Hand. hug. So now these are the words with your letter H and your sound is H. Yes? Okay. Now, shall we spell these words? Yes. First, I will read out the words for you. Okay? You will listen how we will pronounce the words and then we will learn the spellings. Okay? Ham, hop. So when you pronounce these words, you should remember the sound of your letter H. It's you have to breathe out, isn't it? We learned it, isn't it, that you're blowing out something? Yes? So you need to say ham, hop, hat. The H should be heard. You should, the H, okay? You should be able to hear that sound H. Horse, hip, hug, hop, hot, whole, have, hut, house, hive, hammer, height, helicopter, hippo, hen, hat, hide, heart, hive, helmet, hanger, hand, hug. Okay? So, now shall we go through the spelling? Come on, say H-A-M, ham. H-A-R-P, hop. H-A-T, hat. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-I-P, hip. H-U-G, hug. H-O-P, hop. H-O-T, hot. H-O-L-E, whole. H-A-V-E, have. H-U-T, hut. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-I-V-E, hive. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. H-E-I-G-H-T, height. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. H-E-N, hen. H-A-D, hat. H-I-D-E, hide. H-E-A-R-T, heart. H-I-V-E, hive. H-E-L-M-E-T, helmet. H-A-N-G-E-R, hanger. H-A-N-D, hand. H-U-G, hug. Now these are the words with your letter H and your sound is. Now we finished with H. Now what is your next letter that you learned? What is your next letter? Yes, we learned after H, R. And what's your sound? R. Yes? So now you're going to learn with your letter R. You're going to learn your words with your letter R. Okay, are you ready now? Yes. R. First let's write it and then we will read the spellings. We go through the spellings. Rabbit. Rock. Robot. Red. Rose. Ring. Rope. Rainbow. Rooster. Rocket. Rain. Race. Rug. Rhino. Rice. Raincoat. Rat. Rip. Rib. Rice. Road. Rim. Rub. River. Ring. Bread. Friend. Rail. Raisin. Okay, so these are the words now you have with your letter R and your sound is R. Okay, now shall we go through the spellings now? Yes. Now I want you to listen carefully. R A B B I T, rabbit. R O C K, rock. R O B O T, robot. R E D, red. R O S E, rose. R I N G, ring. R O P E, rope. R A I N B O W, rainbow. R O O S T E R, rooster. R O C K E T, rocket. R A I N, rain. R A C E, race. R U G, rug. R H I N O, rhino. Now what are these words? Rabbit, rock, robot, red, rose, ring, rope, rainbow, rooster, rocket, rain, race, rug, rhino. Next one. R I C E, rice. R A I N C O A T, raincoat. R A T, rat. R I P, rip. R I B, rib. R I S E, rice. R O A D, road. R I M, rim. R I V E R, river. R I N G, ring. B R E A D, bread. F R I E N D, friend. R A I L, rail. R A I S N E, raisin. Okay, so now these are the words you learned with your letter R, and these are the words with letter H.
Pebbles Kids Learning.